Do you find that ironical? Do you find it as a compliment?
Amol had brought me into the film. Amir was the one who supported me a lot during the film. I owe a lot to him. From our NSD days, Irfan and I have always been. I've bonded with Irfan since then.
आपके अंदर भूख नजर आती है.
I felt very insecure about being an actor, and I always felt नहीं यार मैं इतना अच्छा मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता acting. One of my close friends from NSD said आप actor नहीं रहे, आप भूल जाइए. Which I felt really bad about. Hi, this is Vipin Sharma. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
So you spoke about Tare Zameen Par a short while back, and people still refer to you in many ways because of Tare
Yeah.
Zameen Par. Do you find that ironical? Do you find it as a compliment? Or do you find that albatross around your neck? What exactly?
नहीं मुझे कभी बड़ा वो लगता है कि that film will remain the best film for me. That film will always remain the most cherished film because I came to acting after almost 15 years, and I got such a beautiful film. I got a chance to work with such a wonderful person, Amir. Amol had brought me into the film, so I owe that to him. Because of him, I came into the film. He and I go back to Ketan Mehta's films. I assisted Ketan on a couple of films. Amir was the one who supported me a lot during the film. Like I owe a lot to him. I mean, he's the one who made me the Tare Zameen Par Vipin. I will never feel anything strange about that. Everybody, it's been 8-10 years now, and everybody still remembers that film and refers to me with that film. And I
came
feel
to our
great
office
about
after
it.
that.
Yes, I know. I remember that.
सर एक कहानी जो आपसे रिलेटेड है जो कि बहुत दिलचस्प अपने आप में भी है, उसके बारे में भी बात करना चाहेंगे कि आपने जैसे जिक्र किया कि आपने केतन मेहता को अपने असिस्ट किया था, फिर आप यू आर नॉट इन इंडिया फॉर मेनी ईयर्स,
लॉन्ग टाइम,
और जब उसके बाद आप वापस आए तारे ज़मीन पर के साथ में, आप वापस आए, आपके अंदर भूख नज़र आती है जो कि शायद आपने कुछ जो एक वक्फा जिसमें आपने आर्ट से आप अलग रहे, जो मे बी शायद एक वो आपके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं एक आग जली थी या फिर एक सेंस ऑफ वैक्यूम था, वो एक अभी जो आप काम कर रहे हैं उसमें एक बड़ी हंगर नजर आती है बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट यू आर नॉट involved with it for certain juncture. Tell us about that period.
Well, I quit acting for a long time. I thought I'm not
Why
a good
did
actor.
you do that?
I never thought I was a good actor. Post NSD, I came to Bombay. I worked in theatre. I worked in some films, but I never had that thing from inside telling me, yes, you're an actor. I felt very insecure about being an actor, and I always felt नहीं यार मैं इतना अच्छा मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता acting, तो मैंने छोड़ दिया था. But even in Canada, I stayed connected with films in the sense that I started to edit actually. So I am a professional editor. I went to also a very big film school in Canada, Canadian Film Center, and I became part of a film program. And I majored in editing. I've edited a lot. Like I did a lot of lifestyle television, music videos, documentaries. Irfan and we go way back. From our NSD days, Irfan and I have always been. I've bonded with Irfan since then. So मैं जब वापस आता था बीच में तो इरफान और मैं बात करते थे कि देर आर द सिनेमा बदल रहा है, कुछ नई तरह की फिल्में आ रही हैं. यू नो हाउ इरफान हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन आफ्टर those stories, those compelling stories. तो ही said चीज़ें बदल रही हैं. मकबूल आई थी उस समय, तो उसने बोला कि मकबूल देखो यार बड़ा कुछ चीज़ें बदल रही हैं. हम लोग खूब डिस्कस करते थे एक्टिंग के बारे में. सो आई सॉ मकबूल एंड आई फेल्ट यस इट्स ग्रेट, देयर इज़ अ चेंज. सो आई टोल्ड हिम, आई सेड यार मेरा भी मन करता है एक्टिंग करने का. तो ही सेड देन यू हैव टू कम बैक. सो आई वेंट बैक एंड वन ऑफ माई क्लोज फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम NSD सेड आप एक्टर नहीं रहे, आप भूल जाइए. Which I felt really bad about. Okay, once an actor, always an actor. But I realized that when friends say something, you must listen to it. And I listened to him. I went back and I thought I should take some acting classes. And I actually I was very fortunate. I met a brilliant acting teacher who taught an acting technique called Meisner. Very few people know about Meisner in India. He was also a minority there also in the acting world, but he was he was a visionary. He understood actors on a very different level. So I went to his class and I studied that for almost 30 weeks. And after that, I realized I can't do anything else now. I have to act. So I left everything. I bought a one-way ticket so that I don't have an excuse to say कि नहीं हो रहा है तो मैं वापस चला जाऊँगा. So I came back and I was very fortunate that I got Tare Zameen Par actually.
So you've been part of NSD and you still felt that maybe you can learn more, and you did another course.
I did.
That level of ambition is something that was flourishing inside you, that you felt that बिकॉज एक स्टीरियोटाइपिंग होता है
Yeah.
कि दैट भाई एक स्टेज के बाद अब क्या पढ़ना, अब क्या
या क्या बिल्कुल.
दिस इज अ वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल व्हाट यू आर सेइंग.
Well, West
you
में एक
felt.
है भी ना, West
West में है.
you can get older people enrolled in the
You
universities
can do
for
that,
courses and stuff.
yeah.
So there, the learning is very, I think, part
Different
of life. And actors really learn a lot. Like you will meet a lot of writers and actors who work in restaurants. They wait tables, but they in the evening they'll go and do a workshop. So to learn is something very, very, very important. And I really felt it actually that. I must learn again. I must, because I realize I've not gone in front of a camera for over 10 years. Why? How can I call myself an actor? So that was this thing that no, I must go back to stage again or act again and find out what it is. So that's why I took this course, and this was a brilliant course. It changed my life actually in a way. So yeah, but you're right. It's even today sometimes I feel कि यार कहीं कुछ हो रहा हो तो मैं फिर से जाके करूँ उसको. But in Mumbai, the life gets so complicated and so you get busy and you got preoccupied with so many things. And but yeah, I think unlearning is definitely more important than learning at times.
Wow.
Hi, this is Vipin Sharma. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.